Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and I wanted to pop on video today to tell you a bit more about what the 5 Ways to Wellbeing model is. So what we look at in the 5 Ways to Wellbeing model is a holistic approach to your life and how you can transform your wellbeing and be successful. We'll look at how you can keep learning. Every day is a school day, and I know that's a cliche, but it's absolutely true. So find something that you're passionate about and keep learning. The other aspect of the 5 Ways to Wellbeing is about connecting, building up your network, staying connected with family and friends. It's really important to your wellbeing, and it can massively expand your knowledge and also friendship groups. Give back. This is something that we often think, that's a good idea, but how many of us actually do it? Go out there and volunteer or give your time or raise some money for charity. I can imagine over the last year, in 2020, a lot more people have been doing volunteering, whether that's food banks or helping with homeless or just being there to listen to somebody who's struggling. And that is fantastic. We get an enormous sense of well-being from helping others. Be active. Find something that you enjoy. For me, I love cycling, and you'll often find posts with me out on my bike. But it's something different for everybody. Whatever it is you enjoy, start. That's the main thing. And then just add it in as a routine in your week. It can be just something like 20 minutes every day. A lot of people have been getting lockdown puppies and have been out walking a lot more, which is fantastic. So find a sport or a hobby that you enjoy that gets you active, raises your heart rate. Take notice. Mindfulness has become a bit of a buzzword, but it's important to take notice and practice self-care. So that's me just giving you an overview of what the 5 Ways to Wellbeing model is. I know it works because it completely transformed my life, and it absolutely can transform yours too. So keep learning, connect, give back, be active, and take notice. If you're interested in our 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop on the 7th of January, then have a look in the comment section below for our Eventbrite links, and we'll see you then. Thanks a lot.